Welcome to this 3-bedroom cluster for sale in Les Marais, Pretoria, Gauteng, South Africa for R910,000. Neat, large townhouse with a lock-up double garage and a garden area. The unit is on the first floor with 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Lovely complex, next to a quiet park. Near Eugene Marais Hospital. Close enough to major routes. This is a great investment as well. For more information on this property or to arrange a viewing, please contact us.